Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your text look like it's melting? I'll show you how in Canva. First, click Create. Then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions. In this example, set the width and height to 300 by 300 pixels before proceeding to the next step. Go to Elements, then type anything you want in the search box to find the desired items quickly and easily. For this example, search for a melting effect in the effects library to apply it to your project quickly. Next, search for text effects by typing ocean text with melting effect in the search bar. Select the desired effect from the results to apply it to your project, enhancing your design with an animated melting ocean text style. Click Generate to create the content based on your input and wait for the process to complete. Wait for the generation process to complete before proceeding. This ensures that all data is fully prepared and ready for the next steps. Avoid interrupting or closing the application during this time to prevent errors or incomplete results. To add a second sample, click the Insert Image button and select your desired picture. Next, to include lake text, click the Add Text option and type your content. Position the text as needed on the image. Repeat these steps to enhance your project with multiple images and descriptive text for better visual impact and clarity. Select the text you want to use, then click the Generate button to create your content. This will process your input and produce the desired output quickly and efficiently. Ensure your text is accurate before generating for the best results. Use the same component here to build the desired design efficiently. This method saves time and maintains consistency across your project elements. This option looks good. I will select it and proceed with this choice for the project. Confirming the selection ensures we use the best available version moving forward. Select the option that aligns with your campaign. In this case, choose the one that matches your first campaign to ensure consistency and accurate targeting for optimal results. Add the melting effect by selecting the layer, then applying the melting filter from the Effects menu. Click the Share button to open options, then select Download to save the file to your device. Increase the image size and quality settings, then click the Download button to save your enhanced image file. You've learned how to make a dripping text effect in Canva. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips.